after covering a lot of strategies and everything, such questions come up like when to sell, when to buy. So that's why we covered that, when, how to catch the bottom, how to catch the top, so that that's that range and all that session. Then specifically that's why I covered that part also, that when to sell when the market is such. So we divided stocks into category A, category B, category C. Like category A are like not that good stocks. Category B and C are like, one is makes lifetime high before and one makes lifetime high after Nifty lifetime high. So these kind of things, come up only with practice and only with clarity. Only when you do it. So I thought one question which we feel is, when do we average? What do you mean by average? So let's say I bought a stock at 100 and now the price of that stock has become 80. होता है ना? There is no such thing कि ऐसा नहीं होगा, the stock price will not come down. No stock can remain हमेशा
Happened with
on
one
that.
stock even.
Yes, no stock can remain at the top, no stock can remain at the bottom.
Yes.
Perfect. Sometimes bad stocks are at the top, sometimes good stocks also come down, and that volatility is our friend. So stock came to 80. Now my target was 150. So what I feel is, what if I buy at 80 also? So my gain would be huge. But when to do this buying? So when I buy at 80, what will happen? Let's say I buy the equal quantity. So my average buying price will become 90 and I will sell at 150. So because the price has come down, I consider it as a buying opportunity and I buy it. So when should I do this buying? When should I do this averaging? So, why? First though, when do we average se pehle? I will take up another question, which is like, should I average? Average karna bhi hai ki nahi? Should I average whatever stock you have? If the stock price has come down, when do you think about averaging? When the price has come down. Now, when the price has come down, should I average or not average? So, um, see, when the price comes down, we are not the people who will apply stop loss and sell off. No, we have full trust on our research. So we will wait. We will never do stop loss wala thing. Now, should I average? Should I average me? There are few things we have to see. Same things which you saw at the time when you bought the stock. What are those things? One, is the business growing? बिजनेस ग्रोइंग है या नहीं है, बिजनेस का जो इज द बिजनेस मार्केट लीडिंग एंड मार्केट लीडिंग ऑफ इट्स ओन इंडस्ट्री, अच्छा स्टॉक है क्या, एंड इज द बैलेंस शीट ऑफ द कंपनी स्ट्रॉन्ग, इज द पीएनएल ऑफ द लाइक क्वार्टरली पीएनएल numbers, yearly PNL numbers are good. Do I feel the business will grow from here? So all these things which we checked at the time of purchase, we see average के time पे भी कि अभी भी सब सही है ना, and is it available at a good price or not. So any good company coming down of prices possible. Now, the question is, in should I average? So if you checked all these parameters, you will say, ha, everything is good. Let me average. Now 100 ka stock price has come at 80. This could come due to three reasons. So the first reason is that उस स्टॉक में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, लाइक स्टॉक का, उस कंपनी का, यू कैन से प्रॉफिट्स हैव कम डाउन, और ऑपरेटर ने उसको नीचे लेके आया है, एफआईआईज आर सेलिंग, एचएनआईज आर सेलिंग, अपना प्रॉफिट बुकिंग करके वो अपना घुमा रहे हैं. सो ड्यू टू एनीथिंग in that stock, so whatever the price downturn has come, that is only in that stock. Second, it could be पूरा इंडस्ट्री लेवल प्रॉब्लम होता है ना, कि ये पूरा इंडस्ट्री का मार्जिन ही कम हो गया है. सो ओवरऑल इंडस्ट्री प्रॉब्लम. एंड थर्ड इज द ओवरऑल मार्केट प्रॉब्लम. जैसे आई शो यू इन सो मेनी टाइम्स कि सितंबर 24 से कैसे मार्केट इज डूइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ रैली. सो या ओवरऑल पूरे मार्केट में प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हो रहा है, या सेल ऑफ हो रहा है. सेल ऑफ एंड प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स. हाँ, सेल ऑफ इज पैनिक सेलिंग, ओ वॉर हो गया, इवेंट हो गया. प्रॉफिट बुकिंग इज यू फील कि बहुत ऊपर आ गया है, लेट मी सेल ऑफ, नाउ देयर कुड बी टाइम करेक्शन. सो when do you, so anyway, selling pressure है market में, there is a selling pressure. So now 1 2 stock specific या industry, अगर stock में problem है, don't average any problem. It could be, it could not be only problem, सिर्फ जैसे कि कोई temporary issue भी हो सकता है, but don't या पूरी industry, पूरी अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री में जीएसटी बढ़ा दिया, या पूरा का पूरा गैम्बलिंग इंडस्ट्री में, पूरी इंडस्ट्री में कुछ चल रहा है, डोंट एवरेज. थर्ड पॉइंट, when there is something in overall market, जैसे अभी this stock has come down, why? Because the overall market has come down. Overall market नीचे आया तो मेरा stock भी नीचे आ गया. If this is the reason, then you should average. Then you can give the tick mark, okay, let me average. Right? Now, once you decided, I will average. Now, the next question is, what levels? So, like 100 का stock 80 पे आया, 60 पे आया, 70 पे आया. So, you know, at what point I should average? What is the price point I should average? Right? So, उसके लिए, what is the price point? So, there are two questions basically. What levels and when? There are two questions. What levels and when? So, what levels is basically at what price? And this is like, when is like what, when time? This is like time. At what time? So, there are two questions we need to answer. So, for this, what I'll do is, I'll say, जो भी आपका ओरिजिनल बाइंग था, we will take the original buying and we will divide that original buying into 4 categories. The first category, I have stocked that, I have purchased that stock for 3 to 5% gain. आपने क्यों खरीदा था ओरिजिनल बाइंग? For 3 to 5% gain. Or there could be that you have bought for 10% gain, or you have bought for 20% gain, or you have got for more than 40% plus gain, kind of that. Why did you do the buying? So अगर आपने 3 to 5% का किया था, so this was like, you know, this was your plan, like short term gain 1 month में आपको बना के निकलना था, right? And 10% gain, usually we have a 1 to 3 months का thought process. 20% gain में basically mostly we have around 6 months का thought process. And if you're planning for 40%, कोई आपने बड़ा head and shoulder पे पकड़ा है, bottom पे head and shoulder के पकड़ा है, if you are doing 3 years, 3 times in 3 years strategy, then you have done it 40% gain वाला. So maybe 1 year or so, you have the time frame to achieve target. That is, you have set this much time frame to achieve target. Right? Now, when should you average in this? When do you average? At what timing specifically you should average? So, you know, let's say I bought the stock at 100. Next day वो 10% down आ गया. होता है ना कभी कभी overall fall के वजह से. और you know, after some time और 10%, suppose कभी कभी 3 to 4 days continue fall आ रहा है, जैसे आई शोड यू इन वन स्ट्रेटजी स्पेसिफिकली, स्टोकेस्टिक में मैंने आपको दिखाया था, बट स्टिल अल्टीमेटली वी गेन. सो अगर आपका शॉर्ट टर्म है 3 to 5% का है, here you should never ever average in. When do we average में? I would say we should never ever average in first. Never ever average on same day. You should never average on the same day. कई बार हमने सुबह स्टॉक 100 पे लिया, शाम तक इट इज लाइक 90. डोंट फील लाइक ओ माय गॉड आई शुड बाय इट एट 90. नो, नहीं तो जितना भी आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा पैसा है, ऑल विल सब ना घुस जाए एवरेज में. वेट फॉर दैट डे. नेक्स्ट डे लेट इट कूल डाउन. ऊपर चला जाएगा, मिस हो जाएगा, चलेगा. बिकॉज बट अगर नेक्स्ट डे फिर 80 पे आया, 70 पे आया, तो यू विल लूज दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. So that is something you should never average on same day. Then you can do next averaging on next day, उसका next day, based on जो भी आपका you know, to average on next day, जो भी आपका based on strategy, you can do the average. If you have bought the stock for 10% gain, 1 to 3 months का आपका टाइमिंग है, इसमें you should never ever average in same week. कितना भी फॉल हो रहा हो in that week, don't do the averaging. Don't have that greed of averaging. जो भी है that's okay. अगर नेक्स्ट वीक रिकवरी हो जाएगी, नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल सी. इन दैट वीक डोंट टेक एनी action to average. मतलब फर्स्ट माइंड से never ever. When I'm saying never ever, in the on the same day means on the same day of original buying. I mean to say that on the same day of original buying. And even when I say this, in the same week of original buying, same thought process. जब भी original buy किया है, उसके same day में, same week में we don't have. The third category, which is like 20% gain if you're thinking of, and 6 months का आपका time frame है. Here you should कितना भी fall हो, never ever do in the same month of original buy. When you should do the average next month. आराम से सितंबर में आपने बाय किया था, जो भी लेफ्ट राइट चल रहा है चलने दो, डोंट डू द एवरेज. when your next October में you think about whether should I average on. And regarding 1 year, actually I should keep the time limit of 3 months, but in the same months, or maybe 2 to 3 months you can wait. You can take the call here कि कैसा चल रहा है, but at least 1 or 3 months actually लंबा time frame हो जाता है. So that's why maybe you can take 1 month only, and 2 months 3 months में just see कि क्या situation है, and accordingly you can take the call. So this is about the time period. Now coming to my next question, which is like what price, what levels do we average? So regarding levels now, I would say this thing we have already covered in the strategies. So in every strategy there is a point कि इधर average करना है, इधर average करना है. So what price, what levels to average, वो आप decide करो based on आपकी strategy क्या बोलती है. Whatever your strategy says, do that. And when to average, maybe consider the strategy, but follow these rules as well. बिना rules के when we do the ad hoc basis buying की कभी भी कर लिया, and doing this ना, ये करने के लिए ना, do the back testing कि ऐसा करके follow करके क्या चल रहा है. You will find that if you're trading with discipline, without any emotions कि अभी करना है, with discipline. So what we talk about 30-40% returns, when we talk about, when I say 30-40%, na, it's about CAGR. Annually we are growing with that rate. I never mean it like 30% return per annum or like that. ठीक है. So I hope when to average wala point is very clear here. Tell me if you have